a wonder creation by the organizer behind Decert, Jake Yoakum Piat. In 2016, Decert has taken special care of the steady ascent popular by the financial backers. The advanced guide cut by Decert for its clients has placed their power in the possession of financial backers, broadening the liquidity potential. The result of mechanical upgradation with regards to thinking, planning, and conceptualizing has been remarkable, particularly for digital currencies like Decert. The Decert token and convention were made to work with open administration, local area connection, and supportable subsidizing strategies. Before we start with Decert cost expectation, actually look at outline of the coin. 3 support points characterize Decert: DCR, security, flexibility, and manageability. These elements imply that data connected with exchanges will in general get assembled independently and not among the other data on a similar block, in this manner working with outstanding rate of exchanges. This sort of innovation will go about as a significant power sponsor demonstrating progressive in the realm of installments. Going about as an impetus to empower quick-fire exchanges in the worldwide installment biological system, Decert will get revolutionary change finance. Decert, exhibiting an unrivaled presentation. Joining the advantages of both confirmation of work and verification of stake, the Decert project offers the smartest possible situation. It is very fathomable that all remarkable elements isn't possible equity in the event that POS and POW don't remain closely connected. Being recorded on prominent cryptographic money trades like Coinbase and Binance, Decert offers a protected and trustworthy stage to its dealers and furthermore empowers lesser expenses and a plenty of computerized resources for single out from. These redesigns and fruitful tie-ups have sped up the energy for DCR coin, making the ecosphere of brilliant agreements all over. The redesign has raised the future cost of Decert on trade significantly. Organizations assume a fundamental part in the realm of crypto resources, particularly in light of the fact that they are significant drivers of mass reception. Decert has forayed into some as well. Dispersing mindfulness and appreciation regarding the matter of advanced resources, Decert establishment has been forceful in fixing specific vital pre-marriage ceremony. Despite the fact that set in a profoundly unstable universe of digital forms of money, ideal variables like tight security conventions and a high-level calculation assume a truly vital part in impacting ventures. The essential goal of the Decert biological system has been to guarantee straightforwardness and, simultaneously, protection. In view of the ongoing cost development and our DCR cost expectation, a drawn-out increment is normal. The cost visualization for 2026 is $324.746. With a 5-year speculation, the income is supposed to be around plus 479.75%. Decert coin has a splendid future in the crypto space according to our Decert cost forecasts. It might have somewhat impacted by bears in short and the DCR cost drop around $136. However, we'll see the bull right around 2024, and its worth might blow the rooftop around $174.0380, making it a wise interest soon. Decert market could fill triple in 6 years, say by 2026, in view of DCR cost figure and algorithmic examination. Decert computerized coins could mirror a reasonable convention around $110 in the digital currency market. Independent of its reception, Decert digital money confronted heat till Jan 2022. Going by DCR cost expectations, Decert cost fall is supposed to end soon, say by 2022, $154.431023. Best case scenario, true to form on the lookout. The continuous yet consistent ascent in Decert cost might not have won it the highest digital money grant, however savvy dealers have figured out how to trust that this resource will perform and make all the difference for trade. Decert DCR is exchanged on different trades by a large number of clients overall and is yet to situate itself in the centralized computer of speculation commendable monetary forms. This crypto resource is yet to build up some forward movement with financial backers as the crypto market shows vulnerability towards its intrinsic potential. It very well may be plainly characterized that the coin, recorded as Decert, DCR, on different trades, has situated itself among large numbers of the top digital forms of money. However, to remain at that level, it needs to take advantage of its greatest potential. While the crucial improvements have influenced the DCR cost, pushing them in a positive course, the market is by all accounts holding much more commitment in the years to come. An obstacle in the method of the thriving of DCR digital money is that it is greatly dependent on decentralized applications at which the costs are simply subject to showcase development. The ongoing cost of Decert is around $55.56, with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $5,351,924. The Decert cost changes near -1.7% throughout recent hours, with a market cap of $768,111,098.68 and a flowing inventory of 13,830,566 DCR. As of now, the DCR coin is exchanging under negative strain according to our specialized examination in light of the beneath straightforward moving normal and remarkable moving typical outline. Decert Value Forecast 2022. Taking into account there are no unexpected shocks or a stony way forward for crypto markets, Decert cost is good to go to certify areas of strength for its intersection all boundaries scaling $77.31 later on. Decert Value Expectation 2023. A quick, solid organization can assist Decert with instituting gain a lot greater cost of $91.55 per coin. If the drive for useful crypto go on into 2023, the cost might try and see a worldview rush according to our Decert cost figure. Decert Value Expectation 2024. Many conjectures are going ahead for Decert, DCR, cost. Particularly keeping in context the mechanical declarations and progress the organization has plans on, there are expectations its cost might reach $89.55. The blessing done by significantly security and versatility highlights with energizing special endeavors might build Decert cost by that much in such a short measure of time. Decert Value Expectation 2025. Decert drives zeroing in on training, effort, and advancements might take them to a considerable degree of $119.67. In view of our Decert, DCR, cost expectation, the coin is set to get pace with other digital currencies to plainly show up at a cost of $95, $120 and remain fixed there for quite a while. Decert Value Forecast 2026. In the event that all markets turn good, the Decert, DCR, is set to break all hindrances and perform abundantly, scaling the top as previously mentioned. As indicated by our Decert conjecture.